Hi viewers, welcome to Interesting Chemistry. In the upcoming few video sessions, we are going to revise organic chemistry chemical reactions based on reagents. Organic chemistry revision based on reagent. You would have known already what is reagent, even though just we will recall what is reagent. Reagent is a substance which is added to a system. System means here the place where chemical reactions takes place. It is a substance which is added to a system to cause chemical reaction. First, let us take Lucas reagent. First reagent, Lucas reagent. Very important reagent. Based on this, questions will be possible. So, we have taken first reagent, Lucas reagent. What is Lucas reagent? It is a solution of anhydrous zinc chloride. Anhydrous zinc chloride in concentrated HCl. Zinc chloride in concentrated HCl. Concentrated HCl. That is called Lucas reagent. In 12th standard organic chemistry, only in two reactions Lucas reagents is used. Only in two reactions Lucas reagent used. What are those two reactions? First one, preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols. Haloalkane from alcohol. Second one, chemical properties of alcohol. But both the reactions are same here. Both are same. Reaction wise, if you see, both are same. Here also alcohol is changed into haloalkane. Here also alcohol is going to be changed into haloalkane. Both are same here. The reaction is alcohol, general formula ROH. Alcohol means OH group, functional group OH group. R is alkyl group. So ROH plus HCl ZnCl2. These two together it is called Lucas reagent. We have already seen solution of anhydrous zinc chloride in concentrated HCl is called Lucas reagent. Already we have seen. So here RCl and H2O are formed. See here, this is the negative part, this is the positive part. Here Cl negative part, hydrogen positive part. So this positive part and this negative part combined together it is formed RCl, and this negative part, this positive part combined together and form H2O. In this way we can write the products. One of the reactant positive part will be combining with other reactant negative part. So in this way without mistake we can write the product. Next let us see importance of Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent is used to distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. How can we distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary? Based on the time taken. Based on the time taken for the formation of product. First let us take primary alcohol ROH. With this primary alcohol only one R with OH. Here HCl ZnCl2. No reaction at room temperature. no reaction at room temperature because this reaction follows SN2 mechanism. Usually SN2 mechanism will be slow than SN1 reaction because here 1 degree carbocation will be formed. Carbocation will be formed. This is less stable than 2 degree and 3 degree. So the formation of this cation will take time and it cannot take place at room temperature. Next let us take 2 degree alcohol or C here also R OH. 2 degree alcohol means the alcohol group attached with carbon, that carbon in turn it is attached with 2 alkyl group. So this is 2 degree, this is 1 degree. With HCl and ZnCl2, it will be producing RCl, but after 3 to 5 minutes. It will take time. Secondary alcohol, it may follow SN1 or SN2. It will take time for the formation of this product because 2 degree carbocation is less stable than 3 degree. So here it will take time. After 3 to 5 minutes product will be formed. How can we identify the product formation? Turbidity, formation of turbidity. What is turbidity? Cloudiness. The product, if it is formed the product, it will be turbid. The solution will be turbid. In a test tube, the solution, if you imagine the solution is present in the test tube, here turbidity will appear. That is because of the formation of haloalkane. This turbidity will be formed after 3 to 5 minutes when we use 2 degree alcohol. Next let us take 3 degree alcohol or C. OH is attached with carbon. That carbon in turn attached with 3 other alkyl group. That is 3 degree alcohol. That 3 degree alcohol combined with HCl and ZnCl2, nothing but Lucas reagent. Turbidity will be formed immediately. Turbidity will be formed immediately. Turbidity formation, immediate formation of turbidity. Why it is so? Here 3 degree means the carbocation formed will be 3 degree carbocation. It will be more stable. So immediately it will be formed that carbocation. So turbidity formation also it will be immediate. Plus H2O. Everywhere here H2O. So how can we distinguish? 1 degree alcohol means no reaction at room temperature. If we increase the temperature, possibility is there. But at room temperature, no reaction. 2 degree alcohol, turbidity formation after 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. 3 degree alcohol means immediately. With the chemical equation, we should explain. Next, let us see what type of questions are possible from this. First type, complete the following. Here, this question mark will be given product side or on the reagent side or on the reactant side. So, in different way, the same complete the following in different way. Here, you have to write the product, here reagent. Then this second type of question, distinguish between propant 1-ol and propant 2-ol. It will be given in the form of IUPAC name. So first you should convert into formula. Then only you can identify whether it is 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree alcohol. So here both are alcohol. If it is given both alcohol, immediately you should write in formula. So propant means 3 carbon. So CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Here propant 2-ol means in second carbon OH. So from the formula it is very clear, this is 1 degree alcohol, this is 2 degree alcohol. So 1 degree alcohol means when we add Lucas reagent, no reaction will take place at room temperature. We have to increase the temperature, then only reaction will be possible. 2 degree alcohol, turbidity will be formed, that means product will be formed after 3 to 5 minutes. Next type of question possibility, convert the following. One substance to other substance, conversion, propanol to chloropropane. So here propanol to chloropropane means we can use Lucas reagent HCl plus ZnCl2, you will be getting chloropropane. In this way, questions may be there based on Lucas reagent. In the next video session, let us see PCl3 and PCl5. These reagents, in which type of chemical reactions these type of reagents take part. That let us see. Thank you.